In this video, I'm going to show you how to force HTTPS on Namecheap in just a few simple steps. This is important if you want your website to load securely, protect visitor data, and make sure people always land on the secure version of your site. If you've been wondering how to turn on HTTPS redirect in Namecheap, you're in the right place. And before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy web hosting tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account using your normal email and password. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for the hosting list option. This is where all of your hosting plans are shown in one place. Click on hosting list, then find the hosting plan connected to the website you want to secure. Next to that hosting plan, you'll see an option to go to cPanel. Click Go to cPanel to open your hosting control panel. cPanel is where you manage important website settings, including domain and redirect options. Once cPanel opens, look for the domain section. Inside that section, click on Domains. This page will show you the domains connected to your hosting account. Now find the domain you want to force to HTTPS. This is the domain you want visitors to always access securely. On the right side of that domain, you should see a setting called Force HTTPS Redirect. All you need to do is turn that option on. As soon as you enable it, Namecheap will start redirecting visitors from the non-secure HTTP version to the secure HTTPS version automatically. That means when someone types in your website address without HTTPS, they'll still be taken to the secure version of your site. This helps improve security, trust, and often even SEO. If your site has multiple domains or subdomains, just repeat the same process for each one you want to secure. And that's it. You've successfully forced HTTPS on Namecheap. Your website should now load through a secure connection whenever someone visits it. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.